see what's in there.
A second, Mom.
You need to eat your popsicle first? Okay. Can you say hi to Aunt Casey and Uncle Kyle?
Hi, Aunt Casey and Kyle.
Say thank you for my present.
Thank you for my present.
Do you know what's inside the box? What is it? Wait for what?
Popsicle.
You want to eat it first? Is it almost gone? Do you love popsicles? Okay, I think you're done now. Give it to me. Okay, now you can open, see what's in the box.
Take it off.
No, you don't have to take that part off. I already opened it on the other side. Sit it back down and open it. Yeah, open it there. What is it?
Jeans.
Jeans? Some new clothes? Ooh, those are fancy. I like those.
Take a picture.
I'm taking a video of it. Those are cute. Say thank you.
Thank you, Uncle Kyle and Casey.
What else is in there? There might be something else in there. Oh, that is so cute. That's a sweatshirt. I like that sweatshirt. There's more? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. That's pink, black, and white. I like those colors.
There's some more.
There's some more? Wow, those are cute polka dots.
There's some more.
There's more? Oh my, there's a card. Can you open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What does it say? It says my Leah. Okay, you can't.
From my box.
There you go.
Oh, don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anybody?
No.
Okay, you want me to stop videoing?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye. Say thank you again for the clothes.
Thank you again for clothes.
Love you guys.
I love you guys.
Bye. Thanks, guys.